Good day, viewers. Today, we bring you exciting opportunities for employment in Ghana. Juxtelo ITEC is looking to expand its hard-working team of teachers, facilitators, and cleaners, and they're searching for qualified individuals to fill various positions. Let's take a look at the available vacancies and the requirements for each role. First up, they're in need of a qualified junior high school maths and career technology teacher. The ideal candidate should have experience teaching maths and career technology at the JHS level and possess excellent communication skills. Additionally, there's an opportunity for a lower primary teacher to join the team. If you have experience teaching at the lower primary level and knowledge of phonics, this could be the perfect fit for you. Lastly, they're seeking a reliable cleaner to maintain a clean and safe environment for their preschool students and staff. Previous experience in cleaning or a related field is preferred. If you're interested, note that preferred locations for employees include Spintex Baatsona and its surrounding areas. Preferred location for employees. Persons applying for the should live in or around Spintex Baatsona and its surrounding areas. For inquiries. For any other clarifications, kindly contact the team through the following contact: +233 2439 17285, +233 244 276730 by WhatsApp or call. Application deadline. The announced deadline for the job is the 10th of May 2024. Don't miss out on these exciting job opportunities. The application deadline is the 10th of May 2024. For further inquiries or to apply, contact the team via WhatsApp or phone call at the numbers provided.